Honestly, I never thought I'd remarry.
I thought I was so self-contained and so independent na at this stage. Ano pa bang hihingin mo? Diba? So sabi ko, I don't need a man. Hindi pala. Yabang lang pala yun. Ngayon, I'm anchored okay. They're very happy for me. And ang common comment lang nila is, mabilis yata.
Of course, there was an apprehension before. I lived with my two sons and their family, so it's one big family. Then all of a sudden, I will find myself alone with boats.
It's practical, everything is so within reach. And parang it has made me realize part of the detachment lessons is ang dami nating gamit na hindi natin yung letting go, no? Which is hard.
So ito parang talagang everything that you need.
Oo. And what I did na here was, I got the best of what I have. Diba? By wearing many things, furniture, etc. And just put them here. And yung mga nandito, yung talagang, yun lang. Kasi there's no space naman eh. There's no space to put in stuff. Everything is so compact. Ang gusto ko sana yung modern na Zen. I have all of this I have all of these things. Sabi ko, sige na, di mag-oriental na. Kasi nga, dalawang units ito. Di ba? Dalawang units ito. So, ito lang talaga this is one room. That's one room, and then this other one is the other room. Yeah, so may toilet yung dito, may toilet and bathroom.
I like your dress.
Pinaano namin. This is the idea of Bikay, of Biki. Most of my clothes are in the guest room. Yung mga cabinets doon ko nilalagay yung mga gamit.
Okay.
Ito.
Tapos pinatak lang niya. Talagang ano lang ito. This was just a useless corner.
Ano pa, utilitarian.
Ito, so nandyan yung labahan.